Hey guys, happy Friday. So this week we have been talking about adding to and taking away word problems. Okay? So we focused a lot on adding to at the beginning of the week. Now we're going to focus on taking away. Okay? So, we have 3 word problems and I want you to help me. So go ahead and get your whiteboards out and a marker and then come back and we'll start. Okay, now that you've gotten your things, I want you to help me figure out this problem, okay? There are 7 monkeys hanging in the tree. 3 went to go look for bananas. How many monkeys are there now? So let's break this word problem apart. I first said that there were 7 monkeys in the tree. So I went ahead and drew 7 monkeys. They're just circles, but they are my monkeys. Okay, so first thing you do is draw your 7 monkeys. Okay, show me your monkeys. Now, 3 monkeys went to go look for bananas. So I'm going to take and cross off my 3 monkeys. Okay, so 3 monkeys went to go look for bananas. How many monkeys are left? That's right, there are 4 monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there were 7. I crossed off the 3 that went to look for bananas, and there are 4 left. Did you get 4? Good. Let's go on to the next one. There are 9 elephants in the jungle. Okay, so I went ahead and drew my 9 elephants. 3 elephants went to take a bath. How many are left? So I have my 9. I'm going to cross off the 3 that went to go take a bath. How many monkeys or how many elephants are left? Good job. I heard you say 6. Do you have 6 left? If not, see if your board matches mine. Okay? Draw the 9 elephants and then cross off the 3 that went to take a bath. There are 6 elephants left. All right, last one. There are 10 giraffes that went to eat leaves. 3 giraffes left. How many are left eating? So I have my 10 giraffes. That's the first thing I do. I draw all 10 giraffes. Then I cross off the 3 that left. How many giraffes are there left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. I heard you say 7. Okay. Now, I need you to help me with another problem. Can you? All right. I need you to listen and show me your answer in a video. Okay? There are 6 elephants. We're going to use elephants again. There are 6 elephants. Okay? So I have my 6. Now, 2 elephants went to go eat. How many elephants are left? I want you to submit a video and tell me the answer. 6 elephants and then 2 left. All right, get going.